Hi guys, welcome back to Video Creator with CP. Today I am going to show you how to fix your sound on Windows 10 if you're hearing some buzzing in your audio, which is a pain if you're trying to have a movie night on this board and all you hear is buzzing noise. So let's get to it. And it's really easy to fix. Go down to your speaker, the memory, panel, um, yeah, go down to your speaker, right click, then click spell, and from here you go to right back, go to your speakers on, well, this is for memory on your laptop if you are using a Windows laptop to do this, but like clip speakers go down to property and then go over to event. Now look for signal enhancement. If this checkbox is checked, uncheck it to apply. That will fix any audio problems you may have. It took me about a week to figure that out, so, but I just want to let you know that in case you have a similar problem. Thanks for watching. Hope you learn something, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.